Alright, we're gonna get a paint. Let's do this. What is up, darlings, and welcome back to Kirstieskarz. Well, that is freaking sweet. It is green. Ah! How cool! I have set Maya on the task of setting it up. So, where should step 1 be? Finding the instructions. Thanks, Tom. Thanks for picking up my oil mess. Maybe. If you... Hi, YouTube. Yeah, I dumped a whole bucket of oil over there and, you know, just threw some kitty litter on it because that's what had to happen at the time. But Tone's being champ, helping out the team. Thanks, man. You rock! Well, I've been delaying decorating my Christmas tree because my new kitten is discovering the Christmas tree. So, oh hi, boo. Oh hi, hi. Yeah, that's my tree. If you could please get out of there, I would really appreciate it. Hey. Alright, so I've taken some time to just focus on me and like focus on what's important in life and make some space and whatnot, and I feel so freaking good about it, okay? Everything still looks a little clustered, but you guys, I've made big progress and I'm just ready to tackle this bumper cover now. Like, check this out. Ah! I have my own paint booth. Like, okay. Is that not sweet or what? Ingenuity at its finest, all right? I wasn't kidding when I said the Subaru's paint is really sparkly and the overspray is just insane. So, let me show you guys around. I got this in here. We're gonna start heating it up now because I got some work to do in here, so get it rolling. But, I mean, is this $1 million paint booth? No, it is absolutely not. But with my nifty hangers and a little bit of rope and one of these little, you know, $50 freaking Canopy things and some plastic, you know, just wrapped it around. Made myself a little booth. Like, truly, this is so exciting. And now I can take each one of these pieces and parts that I'm needing to redo and take them in here and not worry about getting overspray on everything. You know what I mean? Ah, it feels so freaking good. Like, you know, I have so much stuff to paint, but I'm always like, I have no space and I'm gonna make a mess, and you just never know with paint, you know? So it feels really cool to have this little area, and I'm gonna try and bust out as much as I can, as fast as I can, and yeah. Because this is where I parked the Subaru, but I'm hoping that this should all just like be able to collapse and like all the plastic go with it, you know, and then I can just like move it over there or something, you know? That'd be cool. We have a paint booth. We have a little table here set up. It just feels good. Feels good. We're gonna get some progress done. I'm like super antsy and I'm just gonna do it with what I got right now and see if it's enough. It probably 100% won't be enough, but I'm really bored and I just want to do something. And so we'll just go ahead and bust out a couple layers of paint and some wet sanding and, you know, just make something out of the day, okay? You know, I find it so hard to like finish a video all the way through for you guys, so it's been just like taking me forever because it's like step by step by step, you know. But I mean, for how much one of those inflatable paint booths costs, you know, I think that, you know, this will do all right. This will do all right for me, you know. And that's the whole point of the channel, guys. Don't forget it. Working with what I got, and I had all of that stuff, so I didn't have to buy anything. And that's like the best part about it, is And a lot of the time we forget what we have, you know? So we go out and we buy something and we're like, dang it, I could have done that way cheaper with stuff that I already had, you know? So I'm just here to help you think outside your own box, you know? Build yourself your own little paint booth. My little heater really works, man. It warms up this little area in like 5 minutes. I'm used to this thing warming up my whole garage, which takes hours, days, and doesn't really work. So it's really nice that it's like 70 degrees in here. It's like beautiful. Beautiful painting weather. I know you guys have heard me preach about it before, but I totally believe in changing the filters in these bad boys. After every project, I change them out because wow, do they get dirty and fast. Look at that stuff. Okay, you guys, so I got the final sand job done. Guys, I was so focused on the word sand job. I don't know, it just seems weird to say. I did this sand job, but I'm very thoroughly happy with the progress. And yeah, I did some tack cloth on it. I wiped her down nice and good. No dust on here. It really does just look like perfect. Ain't gonna lie. So I am. The only part I'm not worried about is the bottom. I mean, it doesn't look bad either, honestly. But do I care about the very bottom? Absolutely not. Why, you ask? Because my car's so low anyway, I feel like no matter what, like I'll do perfect on this paint job, and then I'll put it on, and then the first, okay, so I work for stores, like delivering bread, you know? So like the first store parking lot that I like pull into, that little cement curb is always just a little too high for me, you know? And I ain't the best judge of distance, you know? If I was, I'd be like a carpenter, right? I don't know. I'm like, do I have 6 inches? Do I have a foot? I'm not really sure, you know? But usually the very bottom of the bumper ends up getting pretty scratched up pretty dang fast. So, but you can't ever see it because my car is so low anyway, so we don't talk about the very bottom, and we don't worry about the very bottom. The first time I did this, I did worry about the very bottom though, and I learned just how silly that was, wasting time. So all the rocks and all the stuff from the highway get spit up all the time anyway, so either way, it's a minefield, battlefield out there in the Subaru, so I ain't worried about it. We're gonna get painting. Heck yeah. I'm like thoroughly scared of my bringing my phone in here into the booth while I paint, because I do not want it to like collect the overspray pretty much. I don't know. Either way, I'm sure I'm doomed. But hopefully if I leave it outside of said booth a little bit, you know, maybe it'll save the phone a little bit. Gosh, see, there's a big glare on it. But this is the only place. This is the only place. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna get back here. Get all this jazz out of here. And then we will, oop, okay. Alright. We are locked and loaded, people. Oh, man. Popped my filter. But I'm trying to just get buttoned up here, because I also don't want sparkles in my hair. I mean, I bet I could pull it off, but my paint has been warming up. It is no longer a negative temperature. I hope I have enough, but I don't think I have enough, but we will see. We will see. Ouch. Oh. Get in your home. Stop doing that to me. Why don't you wanna... Snap, crackle, and pop. Ready to go. Rattle. Alright, we're gonna get a paint. Let's do it. Okay, so I used all my cans, which were like half full, but dang! Like, it actually looks really good for just having that many half a cans, quarter of a cans. But you can see I just need a few more layers. There's just a few spots of discoloration, but the sand job is pristine. I just need to get a good thick coat on it, pretty much. What I had just wasn't enough, you know. But she's coming along just fine. Bam! So close! So freaking close! I hope that paint comes tomorrow, because I really would like to get this done. So tomorrow's the day. It's always such a bummer when I don't get my task completed, you know? I give myself an allotted amount of time, and then I somehow end up still not being able to complete it in time. But yeah, one step at a time, one foot in front of another. We are getting somewhere, people. That is almost done. And then I have a ton of Subaru parts that need painted. So this booth could not have came in a more perfect time. That's all I got to say. It worked out great, and it doesn't even smell out here. Like, even the scent is trapped in there. Oh, so amazing. I am just, so grateful. And yeah, that just worked out so perfect. I'm trying to get out as many videos as I possibly can this month, which hasn't been going too well, honestly, because I decided to deactivate everything and just take some time, you know, for me and my kids. But now it's showtime, people. We gotta get rolling. So I'm gonna make this a video, and then I'll make you guys another quick video, and hopefully another quick video by the end of the month. You know what I'm saying? Heck yeah. So we're just gonna keep ripping and fast editing and getting these things out of here and moving on to the next project because, oh my gosh, have I been slacking. Nova's seam seal looks freaking great, man. That tape was a perfect idea. It dried up beautifully, it looks beautiful, it is there to stay. So, we just gotta keep rocking away, little bits at a time here, little bits at a time, people. Alright, you guys, I got another super cool package that I want to share with you. Hi, Kirsty. Just a little tiny contribution to your tiny little tool drawer from a fan of your channel. There is so much positive energy in your videos. You're awesome. Stay the way you are. Greetings from the Black Forest, Germany. Oh my freaking goodness. The coolest freaking care package. Look, you guys. Oh my gosh. They're tiny little Germany tools. Look, made in Germany. Nippics. Like, are you freaking off? They're so adorable. And then get ready. Get ready. A tiny little ratchet made in Germany. Like, oh my gosh. I have the coolest fans, you guys. Thank you so much. I truly have the coolest people in my life. Like, oh, wild. Made in Germany. Pretty freaking sweet if you ask me. Like, whoa. Truly, thank you so much for the care packages. I'm so excited when I get packages. I'm just like, ah, what could it be? And then I open them and then I'm so happy and excited, and I am so gonna be using those every freaking time a tiny tool is needed. Tiny tools for the tiny tool drawer. Oh my goodness, you guys, we're getting ready to put them in. Look at my tiny tool drawer. See, I got even more than this, but these are the ones that I don't really use, and I've just, what is that? That doesn't belong here. You don't belong here. I do have tiny tools, tiny screwdrivers, tiny wrenches, you know, just a little bit of everything. But what I don't have in this drawer is a tiny little ratchet. Yeah, if I could I just need to get them out of the packaging, but I don't want to take it out of the packaging. Like, it feels so cool. I have tools that were in Germany. Oh. Like, I feel wrong even putting them in the tiny tool drawer. Like, I want to set them here so I remember I have them and I will use them. You know what I mean? Because I swear I put things away and then I forget I even have them. But these are the coolest darn things ever. So thank you so much. You freaking rock. And the Black Forest, Germany, that just sounds so super cool. Like, just saying. It sounds mysterious and like, you know, I don't know what to expect. I've never left the United States. I barely left Colorado. But that does sound so cool, and I just can't thank you enough for taking the time to send me those. And I will catch you guys around very, very soon. Hopefully sooner than expected. Because I just, miss you guys. Heck yeah. I just want to say thank you again to everybody who's taken the time to send me a care package or gift. I really appreciate it. It means the absolute world to me. I try to shout you guys out as much as I can. I'm sorry if you haven't seen your stuff yet. Shout it out, but I will get there. I promise, life's just chaotic. Also, a little secret I've been hiding is that the paint that I am waiting for to finish this bumper is not a spray can. I actually went ahead and got a full pint so I can just go ahead and use my new spray gun and the air compressor and start practicing so that I can hand paint the Nova by myself. I figure I might as well start on something simple like a bumper and get the feeling of the gun. So yeah, we are waiting for an actual can of paint, you guys. We're gonna get rocking. I'm so excited. Truly though, guys, I cannot wait for this. I finally got a compressor, got my gun. I am so ready to get rocking on the Nova.